Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So we have to start with opening the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with, I would say, 3 bars icon, and then you will open the recents. If you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the button to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. Something like that. Here we've got the recents. If you want to, you can close them one by one manually just by swiping them up, something like that. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened, then you can either go to the very left to find this option Clear All, or just tap on Clear All, which appears at the very beginning of opening the recents. So just tap on it. We just got back, so we can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.